Hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I'm going to give you some updates about Kidazzler. If you've never heard of it, I'm going to go over it briefly and let you know why this is such an awesome opportunity for 2019 and beyond. This is one of the few things that I've come across that I'm really excited about. I'm always looking for legitimate ways to make money online, and most of the time I come across scams, but this is actually a legitimate opportunity. Okay, so what is Kidazzler? Kidazzler is an app that is going to be launching in mid-2019, which is approaching very quickly. And it is an app that matches kid-friendly businesses to parents who want to find those kid-friendly businesses. So it's an app, it's free. You can download it on, well, when it goes live, you can download it on Android and iOS. Join for free. And for parents that are looking for kid-friendly businesses and kid-related businesses, those businesses will be listed. Okay, so how can you make money? Okay, so right now, what they're doing is they're offering a shared revenue model for people to help them build the directory. So basically what you're going to do when you join is you're going to add businesses, and you can earn up to $4,800 a month. But that is just a number. You can actually add more because I did confirm that there's no limit on what you can earn. Okay, this is just an example. Okay, so what they're doing is they're building a one directory for everything kids and rewarding everyone who contributes. Okay, so as a contributor, you add businesses, you lock those businesses in under your name, and when they opt in for the paid advertising, and some of them will, you get a shared revenue. Okay, so add a business and lock it in your name to earn. Be the first to add a business, name, phone, address. Once you lock it in, no one else can ever add it again. Okay, so there won't be any duplicates or anything like that. Once you add that business, it's locked in under your name forever. Okay, so lock in more businesses with friends. So you can also, not only can you make money from the shared revenue from the advertising from the businesses that you add, but you can also invite people, and you have a potential of adding of making $2 per business that does the paid advertising option for every friend that you've added. Okay, and I'm going to show you an example of what that looks like. Okay, and then they have even more. You can make up to $1 per business that's added from friends of your friends. Okay, so it's like a two-tier shared revenue model here. Okay, so it's not just your friends, but your friends' friends. Okay, so you won't have to sell anything. All you have to do is provide them with the business name, the information, the address, the way to contact them, and they'll do all of the marketing and contacting these businesses on your behalf and offering them the different packages. Okay, so basically, businesses pay Kidazzler to advertise on their platform, and Kidazzler pays you. So that's where the shared revenue model comes in. Okay, so I'm going to show you mine. Okay, so as of as of January 18th, 2019, I have a potential of earning $2,018 a month. Okay, I'm at the Rockstar agent level and Rockstar producer level. Okay, and you'll learn more about this. Every time you reach a certain level, you get a new badge. Okay, so to go to the next rank, I have to add 8 more friends. So initially when you join, you can add up to 35 businesses initially, and then every month on the 15th, they'll allow you to add 5 more businesses. So right now, I believe I have 45 businesses with the potential of making $450 a month, because for your businesses, you have a potential of making $10 per business that pays for the advertising. Okay, that's $450 a month. Now, it's really important I don't want to hype this up to be unrealistic. Not all of the businesses that you add are going to pay for the advertising. Okay? They do have free options. But those that are serious and understand the value of advertising and paying for paid advertising are going to pay. Okay? But not all of them will. So I'm not going to count on this 450 totally. Okay? Same thing goes for the businesses added by the people that I've invited. The people that I've invited have so far entered 617 businesses. I have a potential of making $2 per business, potentially $1,234 per month. Again, not all of these businesses are going to do the paid option. Okay? And then to break it down even further to friends of my friends, they've added 334 businesses. I have a potential of making $1 per business, equaling $334 per month. And that's where the 2018 comes in. Okay, so again, not all of these businesses are going to opt for the paid advertising. Okay? And once it goes live and it's online, I'll get a better idea of what I'm going to get. Even if I get $1,000 a month, that's going to be passive income. I did the work. I don't have to do anything else. And I can still make $1,000. That's most of my bills right there. Okay? So there's a really good potential for earning, and this is ongoing. As long as those businesses opt for the paid advertising, you'll make money from those businesses that you added. Okay? So I'm going to show you this unlock max earnings. Okay, as you can see right now, I'm at the highest level of $1. Now, hopefully they're going to increase it a little bit more for those of us who are really serious about this and we're producing on a daily basis and we're adding people on a daily basis. So one of the key things that I'm seeing a lot of people who are joining, but they're not doing anything. They're not adding businesses. Okay? And that's just insane. They don't know what they're missing out on. Okay? So I wrote an article and I have a series of videos of updates that I've posted on my YouTube channel. I hope you'll go back and watch those. But here's the article that I wrote. And I'll leave a link down in the description of this video to this article. This explains it all in detail. Now, for now, it's only open to people who live in Canada and the USA. But in 2019, mid-2019, once they go live, they're going to open it up to more countries. Right now, they're not sure which countries, but I would venture to say it's going to be Australia, New Zealand, UK, and some other countries. So be ready. All right? So even if you're not involved or you're not in the US or Canada currently, and you live in one of those countries I just mentioned, you can still go ahead and join. Okay? Or at least try to sign up. I don't know if they'll let you, but, keep a link to this handy and check back often. And as I find out more and I get more updates, I'll do videos and update my article. As you can see, I'm updating it. I updated it today. I'm going to refresh this. There's my name. Okay? So there's no shenanigans going on. You know this is real. Okay? Or this is a real number, but that's not exactly how much I'm going to make. It's just a potential. Okay? But I'm going to keep working on this every day. I'm going to keep inviting people because I see what a great opportunity this is. And there are thousands of members now. Okay? And if you join, you have access to the inner circle where you can get even more updates. There's more information that you can gain by being involved with the inner circle. Okay? And I also have some pointers that I want to give people. Some businesses are more likely to opt for the paid option, and I'm going to tell you about those businesses. And those are the businesses, now that I can only add 5 per month, I'm only adding those types of businesses. Okay? And I want to share that information with you. But I'm only sharing that information with people who are joining under my downline because I want the people that join under me to be successful. Because if you're successful and your friends are successful, I'll be successful as well. Kidazzler will be successful. Okay? So please check out my article. There's a lot of information in it. And watch the other videos. And just stay on top of it. And I hope you'll join. If you have any questions, please let me know. They're going to have multiple ways of payment options. And they're going to finalize that later on. But there's a lot of activity going on. This is really an exciting time. And like I said, I don't mean to be hyping this up to be something more than it is, but this is one of the few things that have come along that I'm really excited about. And there's a huge potential here to make a really decent monthly passive recurring income. Okay? Thanks for watching and good luck to you. And don't forget to let me know. Connect with me on Facebook. Contact me through my website. Send me an email. Let me know who you are and that you joined under me, and I'll give you some more pointers. Thanks.